Want to manage and change your comment settings on TikTok using your iPhone? Here is a quick step-by-step guide to controlling who can comment on your videos and filtering unwanted remarks. First, open the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Interactions section and tap on Comments. Here, you can tap on Allow comments from a change who is permitted to comment, switching it from everyone to your friends. You can also toggle features like comment filtering and creator care mode to keep your space positive. And that's how you change your comment settings on TikTok using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.